Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share delicious stir-fry Sambal baby emperor vegetables recipe. I hope you will like it. 2-3. The scientific name of baby emperor vegetable is lulokui. It is a vine. Its calcium content is very high, 2 to 3 times that of spinach. It is a preferred economic vegetable for calcium supplementation. It also has the effects of clearing heat, detoxifying, smoothing the intestines, and promoting bowel movement. It can be used to treat constipation, skin inflammation, and other conditions. Ingredients are baby emperor vegetables, sambal sauce, and chopped garlic. Wash the baby emperor vegetable and cut them into sections. The stem of the baby emperor vegetable are relatively hard. It is recommended that you separate the rhizomes and leaves by hand, and only keep the leaves and the softer upper part. Stir-fry chopped garlic. Add baby emperor vegetable. Add 1 tablespoon water. Add sambal sauce. Add 1 full spoon if you like spicy. Season to taste. I didn't add salt because the sambal hot sauce I used was already seasoned. Sambal baby emperor vegetable is done. Smell good and delicious. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Eating baby emperor vegetables food is good for our health. It can moisten the lungs and relieve constipation. The main reason is that it is rich in dietary fiber that can speed up gastrointestinal motility, which can help the human body promote defecation. It is also very beneficial for avoiding constipation and other discomforts. It is a very good effect when eating emperor's dishes. When eating baby emperor vegetables cuisine, pay attention to the taboo groups. For people with stomach deficiency and diarrhea, emperor's cuisine should be avoided. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.